Ibig mo sabihin, for 11 years, pinabayaan mo ko may love sa'yo? Yung pala baliwala lang sa'yo halik na yon?
Let's not talk about it. This is a confessional box.
So, you want to be a good priest, ha? I'll be a bad girl. Lahat na masama gagawin ko. Sasama ako.
Please don't say anything. For your penance, say 3 Hail Marys, 2 rosaries every day for the next 3 months.
I'm sorry, Father. I'm not even a Catholic. Ang dapat sa paring katulad mo, na pinaasa ang isang bata, nakakulong.
Connie! Connie! Buksan mo ang pinto!
Our second kiss, Father.
Excuse me, ma'am. Telephone for you.
Thank you.